Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Easy Olympiad Maths. In this video, I'll show you how to create expressions in algebra in an easy way and in diagrammatical view with lots of examples from NCERT books. This is part 2 of video Introduction to Algebra. To see more such videos, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. How to create expressions in algebra? Let us understand these by some examples. Neha says that she has 10 more marbles in her collection than Ria. Now, if Ria has 20 marbles, then Neha has 10 more, that is 30. If Ria has 30 marbles, then Neha has 10 more, that is 40, and so on. We don't know exactly how many marbles Ria has, but we know that Neha's marble is equals to Ria's marbles plus 10. Now if we denote Ria's marble by letter X, then Neha's marble is equals to X plus 10. Here X is a variable and can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 30 and so on. Now X plus 10 is known as an algebraic expression. So it is an algebraic expression. You can see the figure also. When Ria's marble is X, now Neha has 10 more marbles than Ria. Then Neha's marble will be X plus 10. So X plus 10 is an algebraic expression. Raju and Balu are brothers. Balu is younger than Raju by 3 years. So when Raju is 12 years old, Balu is 9 years old. When Raju is 15 years old, Balu is 12 years old. We don't know Raju's age exactly. It may have any value. Let us denote Raju's age by variable y. Now if Raju's age is y years, then Balu's age will be y minus 3, since Balu is younger by 3 years. Here y is a variable and can take any value 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 30 and so on. And y minus 3s is a expression, algebraic expression. Now see the figure. Raju's age is y years. Balu is younger than Raju by 3 years. So Balu's age will be y minus 3. Younger means you have to subtract. Question 1. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be x years. Now Radha's age is given x years. So see the diagrammatical view. Radha's age is x years. Now Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So Leela's age will be x minus 4 years. Younger means you have to subtract. This question is from NCERT book. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a larger box is emptied, the oranges from it will fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? Now see the figure. The green color box is the larger box. When it is emptied, it will fill 2 small boxes shown by pink color. And still 10 oranges left shown by a oval in green color. Now it is given that number of oranges in small box is x. So we have written x. Now we have to create a expression for this question. So number of oranges in larger box is x plus 10. So x plus x are oranges in the 2 pink box and 10 oranges left, that is shown in the oval. So our expression will be 2x plus 10. This is another question from NCERT book. Question is, take Savita's present age to be Y years. So what will be her age 5 years from now? Now 5 years from now her age will be Y plus 5. Y is the present age and 5 years from now her age will be Y plus 5. What was her age 5 years back? Now 5 years back her age was Y minus 5. So when it is back you have to subtract. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Now age of her grandfather is equals to 6 times of her age and her age is Y. So 6 times of Y or 6 into Y is 6Y. So grandfather age will be 6Y. Fourth, Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Now 3 times of Sarita's age is 3 times of Y or 3Y. Now her father's age is 5 years more than 3Y. So her father's age will be 3Y plus 5. Now see the diagrammatical view of this question. Sarita's present age is Y, which is given in a green oval. Now right side 5 years from now Savita's age will be Y plus 5. Left side 5 years back her age will be Y minus 5. Now down towards right 6 times of her age will be 6 times of Y, 6Y, and 3 times of her age will be 3Y. Y is the present age. So you can see the diagrammatical view also. This question is also from NCERT book. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltops is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. Now see the diagrammatical view of this question. So Meena is at step S. See in the center, a oval in the green. Meena is at step S. Now right to that Beena is at 8 steps ahead. So Beena is at S plus 8 steps. And left to this Leena is 7 steps behind. Leena is at S minus 7. So behind means you have to subtract. Ahead means you have to add. Now 4 times of her age. Look right downwards. 4 times of S is 4 into S or 4S. So 4 times of Meena age is 4S. Now total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. So 10 less than 4 times of Meena's steps or 10 less than 4S or 4S minus 10 is the algebraic expression of this question. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe. Write in the comments about the video.